In this tutorial, we'll show you how to do the binary search problem in the Rodin platform. Assuming that you have downloaded the archive file of chapter 15 from the Rodin website, we will show you first how to import it into your Rodin platform as a project. Go to File, Import. Under General, select Existing Projects to Workspace. Next, select Archive File, Browse, and go to where you have downloaded the archive file. Select the zip file, open, and say Finish. You will now see the binary search chapter 15 has been imported as a project on your Rodin platform. If you expand the project, we'll see there's a context file and 3 machines. M1 and M2 represent the 2 refinement steps that we're going to do throughout the tutorial. If you expand each one of them, you will actually see the status of discharging the proof obligations. As you can see, for the context and the machine number 0, all the proof obligations have been discharged. And for the first refinements and the second refinements, some proof obligations have not been discharged. That's why you see them as appearing as brown. If you go further, you would see, for example, that for the events increments, it has not been discharged for it to maintain the invariance number 1 and number 4. And there's some problem about the feasibility of the increment events, and similarly for event decrements. In the next video, we're going to show you how to discharge all of these proof obligations by introducing some new invariants and theorems.